Hi, I'm Chan, and I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company, and I'm trying to make a YouTube tutorial on drawing a sky. And here's my two color reference from before and my other color reference, and two image what I showed from before and my other color reference. So I'm gonna teach you how to draw a sky that looks like this. Um, but first of all, you might want to first of all, you want to make the save your paintbrush uh, down here, colors, like copy this, control C, and select this, and control V. This is one of my other color, swap color, so control C and control V. So this was one two color for the sky. It looks like this. So before it looks like this, and maybe view fit screen. Um, remember to start from lightest first to darkest. Um, and paintbrush always use normal paintbrush settings as roughness, smoothest, around the scene. Around really big paintbrush, so square, bracket, extend, kind of like all the way to like if you look at its perspective, maybe up to this big-ish with smooth rough. Uh, a spot. Use the opacity and create new layer. It kind of looks the same as what I draw before. And what you might want, Control Z to go backwards. The horizon line is a bit darker, and the topper part is like night sky, a bit darker in space kind of thing, and the middle in between looks like cloud, so it looks like dots kind of thing, and maybe tilted like down here, kind of sun down here instead. Like sun is maybe down here, and then this is a slightly darker, like shade down here, and slightly atmosphere darker in the sky, and maybe blend in like two different colors, maybe darker just down here, and then afterwards you finish, maybe create kind of this thing with create a new outline, like by doing sort of like this, and duplicate every everything, and that's another copy version. Merge layer, and you need the white background down here. So Maybe erase everything. It's white background. So let me so it looks like this. So exactly the same thing, and then submerge this thing. Layer. So the same as this, but and then use this wand tool. Yeah, maybe delete this duplicate because I did it this before. Delete layer. Correct. Use wand tool. Select the sky and select this view. Selection. Select. Uh, Modify. Selection inverse. So select the ground only and click backspace to delete the ground only. Here's the sky. Well, maybe you should delete this layer 33 sky because I already created already. So it looks like this. A bit better sky because I didn't rush it that much. So I finished my YouTube tutorial and remember to save this thing with the coloring number because it doesn't really save the previous color and you don't want to change it too much color and down here. So I think I finished my YouTube tutorial. Maybe save as up and so far it looks the same as from before. Yeah, and if I see this, it looks like this. Looks the same. So, maybe, yeah, I'll just do this one because this one has the black outline. That properly, it's just like this ground but right before. Instead of deselecting all this, yeah. So I finished my tutorial. Thanks. See ya.